Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how can you fix your Facebook channel face monetization restricted. You can see here I got same kind of problem in my page, earnings restricted. So today I am going to fix that. So watch the video till the end, then you will can understand how can you fixed your restricted monetization. You can see here in this, it's my page and I got this kind of restricted. So why I got this kind of restricted? If I click here, you can see here I restricted on reels. So if I click here, and then here they are showing me unoriginal content. In my Facebook page I uploaded videos who is not mine. For this reason I got restriction on monetization. So probably you uploaded some video who is it's not yours, or you violence for Facebook community's guidelines. For this reason probably you can got this kind of problem, Facebook monetization restricted. So I will show you how can you fix that. So before starting the video I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For fixing the problem you have to open your Facebook. You can see here I am on my Facebook, and then you have to click here your profile, and then you have to click here manage. You can see here manage, and then you have to click here monetization. You can see here option monetization. You have to simply click here monetization. After clicking here monetization you can see here this kind of page, and then you can see here ads on reels might be your ads on video. Simply you have to click here ads on reels, and then you have to click here go to policy issues. You can see here go to policy issue. You have to simply click here, and then you can see here this kind of interface, and then you have to click here learn more. You can see here learn more, and then you will can see here on original content. You can see here review restricted. You have to enable this option. You can see here review restricted. Probably in your page this option is unavailable as like mine. You can see here review restricted option is unavailable. You have to enable this option, and then you have to review are restricted. So for review enable the option, you have to delete some video who is unoriginal for your channel. You can see here I am upload some unoriginal content. Simply I am deleting. You can see here task, move to task. I am simply deleting some unoriginal content. You can see here this is another unoriginal content, and then you have to delete. And after deleting you can see here you have to delete your unoriginal content, and then you have to upload some original content in your Facebook page. You have to upload some original content, and you have to upload your profile picture, and you have to upload a new cover photo horse is original. Then after uploading you have to upload some original video in your page, and then you have to go live. You can see a live option. You have to go live, and you have to live some facecam video. You can see a live option, and then you have to live some facecam video. You have to live. After 3 or 4 live you have to go your manage option for seeing that the option is eligible or not. You can see here if you go here in monetization again, then you will can see here after you can see here after uploading some video the option will be eligible, you can see the request option will be visible, and then you have to request a review for your page. If you upload some original content and facecam video, then it will be eligible and your review will be Facebook see, and your page will be reviewed by Facebook team. And then if you upload some original content, they will unrestricted, you restricted. You can see here your page has restricted ability to earn money. This option will gone. So that's how you can unrestricted your restricted monetization. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.